Can you really make up to $20,000 per week online without Clickbank? Right now, I'm learning a system from my mentor who's currently doing $85,000 per month with only one affiliate program. There's a 3-step method to show you exactly how this is done. And if you really want to learn, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Hey, it's Tera Greene here, and I'm glad you showed up. Now, look, let's just cut straight through the crap. Now, if you think you're gonna make $20,000 per week without Clickbank in the next 27 minutes, you're wrong. Now, yes, sure, it can happen, but if you're a beginner, I just think it's only fair that I set you up with some ethical expectations. And if you're cool with that, then I would like to show you the 3 steps that you can implement right away to get started the right way and without all the hype. So let's hop over to my laptop so I can show you. So as you can see, I'm here at my laptop and I'm going to dive right into the training. I might not be able to get to everything today, so if there's any questions or anything you want me to cover in depth, I can either do it in a later video, or you can feel free to put the comments down below this video and I will answer them directly. But one thing I want to get started with was the reason why I started with the Partner with Anthony program is because in 2020, my entire industry, everything kind of shut down. And because of my family and having a kid and having people that I love, I really had to think about it quickly, how to pivot my entire business. And luckily, Anthony's program showed up at the time that it did, even though I've known about Anthony for a long time, maybe 5 years or so. And I finally decided to challenge my negative beliefs about him, about the things that he was maybe sharing. And because of that, I really realized that I was in a position that was a beneficial partnership, not only for myself and my business, but of course for my family. So the real reason why you might have clicked is because you're interested in learning my new way to earn that $20,000 a week without using Clickbank. But maybe you also just really are interested in learning about affiliate marketing because you've heard about it, or maybe you're just really interested in the 20,000 week potential, or you just don't want to do Clickbank. But the real reason why you should stay until the end is because Anthony is doing well over that. And if you stay to the end, I am going to give you those 3 steps that he's doing, and I'm going to show you how he does make this work profitably. So for me, the number one real benefit for the Partner with Anthony program, and of course, you can click the link in the below in the description box to learn more information. Also, if you're on Instagram, you can go ahead and click the link in the bio. But for me, one of the main things and one of the huge parts of this amazing program and partnership is the ultimate weekly free training, where Anthony will actually show up. He will show up every single week, and he shows up to give us free training, and also he will build businesses for you that you can use to sell, no problem. He also gives out prizes periodically, and one thing that I know is that I've personally earned a prize for entering one of his homework contests, and because of this, I was able to reinvest it back into just my business and being able to get a plan for January 1st. And even though I'm just getting started, I already have that game plan, and now I can really move forward. And that's why I'm super excited, because I'm going to be doing more videos for you so that you can really understand the Partner with Anthony program, whether you're a creative person like myself, or you're a parent, specifically a mother, or if you're just someone who's looking to supplement your income and try to really, sincerely protect your family in this really new world that we're living in, this new economy. But besides me doing these videos and this training, because again, I think it's important to get the information out to you, I think it's also important that we make a mental shift, because 2020 has come, we've all experienced it, but now it's time for us to make a difference, not in our own lives, but in the lives of those that we care about, and also, yes, even in strangers. But I have to say that we can't do anything without making some sort of action that's going to change things. And I sincerely do think that this program is going to help you. Now, again, for this to work for you, I'm just telling you what has worked for me, and that is challenging your negative beliefs. Whatever you have coming into this and you're watching this training today, just challenge your negative beliefs, because if you stick with me and you do that, then you will really see the benefit in a partnership like this for you and yours. The Partner Anthony program he actually is doing the 3 steps for you. That's the really cool thing about it. So you're leveraging his expertise, his 15, 16, 17 years of wisdom, and you can really learn while you earn by partnering with a guy who is literally doing that $20,000 per week in commissions that I was telling you about, and he'll do it for you. So as you can see, this is not Clickbank. This is a company called ClickFunnels. So how is he doing this? It's simple. There's a reason why this works, and if you pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you, then you will know the one strategic shift that happens when you promote a product like ClickFunnels versus when you promote all the different things on a platform like Clickbank. Now, as promised, let's go back to my computer and let's outline these 3 steps. So the 3-step method: number 1, the key to unlocking your potential. Number 2, we're going to talk about the foundation for your success. And number 3, we're going to talk about what you have to do to make sure you can do this, okay? So number 1, the number 1 key to unlocking your potential is finding a great affiliate program for software. That's the key, okay, for software. And the reason why you want to do this is because of the sticky effect. Now, this is because software is something typically people, once you start, you're not going to stop using it. For example, an email service or some other tool that you'll use for your business because you're going to need it for your business, right? Like a website, for example. Now, knowing what you know now, I want to tell you the foundation for your success. And that foundation is based on, and again, this is one of the smartest ways that you can go about doing affiliate marketing if you're brand new, and that is you make sure that the software is a monthly recurring charge or fee. Now, what does that mean? Okay, so that means that you want to make sure that that software that you're promoting has a monthly recurring charge. It's like a gym membership, right? Now, why would you want to do that? Well, let's say you have 181 people that are trialing ClickFunnels. That means that they have signed up, they're starting their trial. Well, in any other affiliate program, you would basically get those 181 sales. Now, let's say you were to just hustle and you went way beyond that, okay? So listen to what I'm about to say right here, because this is going to teach you how to eat, because this is one of my missions, is to help people eat with recurring commissions. Say you work hard, you get 1,600 people that you're helping out, and they're understanding the system. Well, every single month, those people will pay for their membership to continue using their software, and you will get paid an affiliate commission. So this is super huge because you're not having to start every single month at 0, right? When it comes to sales, you're not having to go generate every new thing the next month. Instead, you can just build on that success of that last month, which is called layering, but that's something for another video. But you want to make sure that you understand what you're selling, and more importantly, how to educate people and your customers around it. The fastest way that I know to understanding the software, and it's probably easy, it's probably kind of common sense, you might have noticed, but it's, make sure that you're using it, making sure that you use it, because if you want to, be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to understand that you're selling because you want to educate them, right? You want to help them, and that's really important. You want to teach them how to use what it is they just bought, and that should make sense, right? Because when you use it yourself, you learn important things. I'm going to leave it right there. Again, I want to just recap the 3 things that I talked about. Number 1, finding a great affiliate program for software. Number 2, just making sure that it has a monthly recurring charge or fee. And of course, you just make sure that you really understand what you're selling, because that is important when you want to educate people so that they don't cancel their subscriptions and that they keep coming back because it's good, and when it's good, it's good. So those are called a marketing recipe, and it's just one of the methods I'm implementing in my business, and I am super excited because now you know the power of doing it right. And partnering with Anthony allows you to see the power of doing this business right, affiliate marketing. He walks the talk, and he is doing and implementing these 3 things in his own business, and you'll start to learn what he's doing like I'm doing, and you'll start to implement them in your business over and over again. And the good thing is that, he's not here to be here forever for you, but he is for you in the beginning. And that's the crucial part, because, to get a plane off the ground, you really have to have that momentum in the beginning. Now, if you would like Anthony to be the one to teach people how to use these different softwares and also eventually sell these softwares for you, well then click that link in the description box below and you'll find out more information on how to join us. Cool? He will educate them for you. He'll even help sell products to them for you, but he will never take any commissions for helping you, because that just wouldn't be ethical. Nope. Instead, you get to keep all the commissions. And that's why it's called Partner with Anthony, because he does all the selling for you. He helps educate. He keeps training them for you. He'll sell them products for you, but you get to earn revenue. It's a simple concept, and it's a simple process that is perfect for beginners. And so that's why I wanted to film this video for you, be challenged, and put myself out there and share this information with you about the Partner with Anthony program, because at the end of the day, sure, you can do Clickbank, you could do all these fly-by-night kind of programs that you might be hearing about online right now. But the bottom line is, what if you could just partner with someone who has tons of experience doing this, 16, 17 years of doing this, who's consistent with sharing it with students, who has earned over $100 million doing it himself, and he'll help you. I mean, that sounds pretty great, right? I think so, and that's exactly why I partnered with Anthony, and that's why I think you should too. I'd love to teach you more, and I'd also love to help you connect the dots while working and partnering with Anthony. So all you have to do, click that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and please leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments, and I will make sure to do my best to reply to all of them, or as many as I can, within a timely fashion. So please go ahead, leave me some comments, and make sure you smash that like button, and make sure that you tell the algorithms that you like what this content is, because it also helps other people like you find this content as well. And again, make sure you click the link in the description box below if you're interested in the Partner with Anthony program. And I will have more content for you next week. Peace out.